Well, hi folks, welcome to a rainy Rob's allotment garden
Look, we're doing it in the rain. I'm gonna.
potato reveal. Right, these are Pentland Javelin. If I put that down here, missus. There you go.
Pentland Javelin. 8.
Pot 8.
2 in the pot.
2
yeah?
in the pot.
And you handed these.
On the 8th of May. A bit more. April, sorry. Right.
He's got the best idea. Stay on the rain. He's lashing.
Now you have to bit it, but oh, there's a sort of snail. We don't want you in, Mr. Snail. So you can go on the roof up there.
Garden looks lovely and not dry like one summer. It was really dry, weren't it? Bursting for rain.
You know, folks in America and Canada,
Yeah?
they're having 30 odd degrees at midday.
Yeah, it's no fun. I mean, a lot of people say, but it's not. You can't do a lot. You lie there at night trying to go sleep. Pardon?
So I know we go on holiday for good weather, but
Yeah.
you do get a bit what's it, fed up
Mix.
on it or something.
Yeah.
You know. Right, don't fall over. I've got my glasses on. These in the bin. Oh, bless you.
It's a bit of hay fever, isn't it?
Hay fever in the rain.
No, you can
Right,
get
let's
it.
see whether we've got out. Oh, I can see one. Right. Just be careful on. Of those.
What are they? Oh, the little bits.
Yeah, because if you leave them in,
Mm.
you get potatoes next year.
Oh, right, okay. Oh, look, we've got
You
some
don't-
coming through.
There's one.
It's a nice size one. These are for tomorrow lunch, aren't they? 'Cause today we're having pasta.
A few in here.
Sorry, just come back here.
Try to
That's a
make
good
this
one,
a
that's
bit,
more or less.
a bit quick, really, with the
There's
rain.
rain.
And after that,
We want to
after
do.
there, we're going to do some of Bill and Val's Pongo Beans.
Yeah, they're over there in this blue tub.
Oh, hang on.
Okay, I'll just come right back to this.
Slug. Don't want you. It's a big one.
It's more like a jacket tater, isn't it? Oh, we've put the cheese in here. Another big
I
one.
was just going to say they're clean, but that one's got a bit of scab on it.
Oh, well,
but
we can scrape that off. Usually the potatoes all right inside.
yeah. Oh, yeah. Nothing wrong with them inside. That's
Rubbish.
that one. I think that might be it, but we will see. I forgot what I grew these with. It was bloodfish and bone and potato fertiliser. I can't remember. I have got it logged.
And there's another one underneath.
Yeah.
That's a good harvest. That one. isn't it?
I'm happy with that.
I am.
Okay, it's 2 potatoes, we know, but
Yeah, but it's still good harvest for what we have had in the past. I
well,
mean,
yeah,
when you put them in April, one
it was
year,
a bit late really. putting
Yeah.
them in, but
I think the weather was burning hot in the May and the June of that year when we hardly got any crop. And I think they need the water to swell out, don't they?
well,
The rain.
yeah.
And we've had plenty of that this year. Well, there is another one in there. We've not just seen it. Keep going.
Ah, yeah, got it. Hey, well done, madam. Oh. There's one down there somewhere. I seeded it. I saw it. There it is.
You're going to recycle this stuff.
Yes, I want.
So you're
if it
making
wasn't
sure.
raining, I would sieve it
Yeah.
to get the roots out.
Yeah.
Put some carrots in.
Mm.
I still might do that, but in the garage.
Yeah. So rather than let it get too wet, you want to put it in a sheltered area.
Yeah.
Just to let it
Just put them in there for now.
get rid of all the sand.
I won't cheat.
No, don't
I'll
cheat.
take that
That's a
1
bad-
gram out.
You can clean the soil.
I haven't tested these, so I don't know if they're going to work. There you go. You can see that.
Yeah,
0.
No. Oh, it's gone to. It's got.
Yeah,
no,
0
Yes, it was
pound.
going. It was going
Yeah.
1, 2.
Well, I reckon we're going to have just over a pound myself.
Oops!
Steady on, buddy.
I just trod on him. I won't mind, but Rob's wearing very sensible shoes in the rain, and look at what I'm wearing. Slippers, because he wanted me to come out on video, and I was in the middle of doing other things. Oh, okay,
Oh, there's a pound.
Is it? That's all
Yeah.
right.
So, but they're the big ones, you see.
Yeah.
We won't make £2,
Okay.
but
Can't quite see the sun's just
Store,
on-
there's no
no,
storage.
just to where it's shining. You can't really see
Yeah,
that.
well, hang on, I'll move it.
Put my arm over the top now. That's because you can't see it very well. Look. I don't know if people can see that.
Yeah, there
It's
will
'cause it's
be.
the rain.
£1, 13 ounce. So that's not bad.
13. Yeah, that's right.
Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these back in here.
Yeah, and take it all in the garage.
No, I'm going to leave it. Yeah, I can do.
Just take it in the garage. I'll stop the thing here because
You
it's
just
going to get.
press pause,
That
yeah.
soil's going to get wet, and you're not going to be able to sieve it.
You take my glasses off though, so go bum over.
Right. Okay. Shall I switch this off?
Yeah, I thought
Okay.
that's right. Right, never grown Pongo beans before. These was kindly donated by Bill and Val. They say they're the best beans ever. So,
Let's have a look inside here. Oh, look, a nice little crop there. Yeah. And I noticed just prior to putting the camera
lot
on,
there.
there was a load in here as
Yeah.
well. Look at that lot. Had a nice meal out of that. Oh yeah, look at that lot. Great in salads as well, once you've cooked them and you let them cool down, just throw them on top of your lettuce. You get
I
all
can't
of
get
it.
at these while you're doing
I'm
that.
just showing them all the beans. There's loads of them. I didn't realise there were going to be
Yeah.
that many, Robert.
Do
You're
you
going to
wanna-
get them dirty sticking anything in that.
Oh, you can wash them. So I'm going to wait them.
Typical man.
Do you want to just put it on pause a minute while
While
I
you
pick the
pick
rest on? Yeah.
Okay.
At least people have seen that we're
Yeah.
not cheating.
All right.
Right, nice little harvest there ready for tomorrow's dinner. I will wave these just out of curiosity.
You better wash that dish out then. Oh, filthy beans. They look delicious, don't they? There's a nice crop there for you and me, and that
Yeah.
came from this lot here. And I've noticed that we're going to get another picking because there's loads of flowers still on them, and there's some other baby flowers. I don't know if you can see
Baby.
coming through, what I call baby buds. So they're all going to have beans, and there's some really tiny closed-in ones. Look in there. I don't know.
I was talking with a lady the other night or something.
Yeah.
On the chat
Just
show,
get in.
and she left me a comment.
There, look, there. That is, and then there's tiny little ones just here. Just pull back a bit so you can see. See, they're all going to be beans. So we looked like we're going to get more than one crop. And I've just opened it away from this bush as well because this bush is overpowering some of the leaves. And as we all know, plants need the light. So, so I pulled it away a little bit so that they'll get that, bit of nice. Okay, then you're going to measure these now. What were you
Well, I
saying?
ain't
You were
gonna-
talking to a lady.
Well, a lady left me a comment the other day on
I'm just checking this here.
the cobra beans, and she was saying that her Pongo beans weren't doing much at all.
Oh, just. Oh, dear.
It's luck of the draw.
Oh, I think it is, Robert. And it's like everything.
Right.
You've got to sow it to know it, basically, to see what happens.
There we go.
Nice little crop there for us.
Virtually set nigh on 7 ounce.
Yeah. Beautiful looking things as well. I
They
love
are.
the Frenchy. I know the
Yeah.
classes are all French beans, but yeah, just. I can't see the.
That's
Can
it,
anybody?
yeah.
Yeah, now I can see it. So it's not a pound. Not
No,
half
it's not a pound. You need a lot
But
of
they are
beans for
very
a pound.
nice.
Yeah, you eat them raw
Oh yeah, you could do.
in a
Although
salad.
I wouldn't be too keen myself. I'm not keen on
Yeah.
raw vegetables. But apart from carrot, maybe.
Yeah.
But you could certainly, once cooked, if you've got any left, don't throw them away. Just throw them on top of your lettuce and have salad next day.
Yeah.
Because they're lovely. You can put a bit of mayonnaise on them, they are.
Well, that's right. That's right.
then. Okay.
Chef June.
Shut up, you. I have to think how to put food in your mouth, that's all.
I have to think how I've got to grow it as
know,
well.
I need it.
Right then, folks. Thanks for watching.
With the rain, and just to prove it, look, this seat's got its own little pond going on here. Look at that, look. Prove that we are actually standing in the rain, and my slippers have got soaking. I don't know what I'm going to do when I get in there. You come out with your boots on.
Well, I'm not.
Your motto, be red. What's it say on you? Animal, does it say animal?
Animal, yes, so be careful.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Right, I'll start again, folks. Thanks for watching. Welcome to all the new subscribers. And thanks for the existing subscribers.
Yeah.
And see what we actually do for you guys, harvesting in the rain. Just so you look after the rain, I'll do this. Right, that's enough of that. So we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks a lot. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Cheers now. Bye.